In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can create smooth lines in Adobe Fresco. So at the moment, when I draw a line, as you can see, it's not really smooth. I can draw like this, but yeah, there's a lot of crackle in it. And you can fix that. You can create smooth lines by going to this icon here to the left. And that's the smoothing. As you can see now, it's set to 28. You can bump it up, and I like to bump it up to around 65. Now, when I create a line, as you can see, it's a lot smoother. The only thing is, when you go up to 100%, for example, you can see there's a lag in my line. So I'm drawing it, but it's behind my pen. And that's normal, nothing to worry about. But I like to keep it at around 65 to have smooth lines and minimal lag. That's how you can smooth your lines in Adobe Fresco. Left side here in your brush option window, choose the smoothing option. And then you can configure it the way you want to. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.